Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Veegoo. Please follow me in a very interesting journey. At today's world, so many companies face different challenges, from hiring labor, energy, new regulations, constraints. How to be competitive, quality, faster became more difficult. In Veegoo, we rethink processes, traditional technologies to do faster, to do better, to do smarter every way. This is our mindset. Keep questioning every day. In 15 years, we can show you how Veegoo was evolving through different businesses and reinventing the way to do it. So many new technologies, so many good things around, but the most important, we really feel very proud of how many leadership companies in the world embark with us in that journey. Will you be the next one? In Veegoo, we work in solutions from hardware, software, services, so many different industries, from quartz, natural stone, ceramics, going now to fabrication shops, and so many new surprises on the road. Please follow me. I got the privilege to be over the last 2 decades in this industry, living amazing transformations with great companies. In Veegoo, today, we aim how technology can accelerate even that future, can reinvent the way we do things. We work actively in artificial intelligence systems, digital manufacturing, reinventing the way to design, and the most important, how competitivity, quality, flexibility will not rivalry again. Are you ready? See you in the future.